Hello! Today we are going to take a look at how to automatically update a watch list in Microsoft Sentinel using Azure Logic application. In my scenario, I want to retrieve users from a specific security group in Entra ID and populate a watch list with them. That way, I can reference this list in analytic rules. Now, we could do all of this manually in the watch list, but with automation, whenever a new user is added to the group, they automatically be pulled into the watch list, saving us from repetitive tasks. There are a few prerequisites before we can build the Logic application. First, we need to create an app registration in Entra ID and grant it necessary API permissions. This allows the Logic app to read users from the group and extract details like their mailboxes and user IDs. Make sure to generate a client secret as well, and then save it the secret value as we'll need it for the later steps. Once the Logic application is created, enable System Assign Manage Identity. Next, go to your Key Vault and assign the Key Vault secret user role to the Logic App Manage Identity. In the same Key Vault, add the client secret if created in the app registration as a new secret. Now, create your watch list in Sentinel. In my case, I used Excel spreadsheet with two columns, AccountID and Mailbox. I uploaded that as a template for the watch list. And quick tip here, if you run into any issues while creating the watch list, you can add a couple of dummy entries and delete them later once the watch list is set up. We are now ready to build the Logic app. To make things easier, I recommend creating the following parameters up front: tenant ID, app registration or client ID, your subscription ID, resource group name, the subscription is where your Sentinel instance lives, and then Log Analytic Workspace ID. This will help you stay organized as you move through the steps. Now, set the Logic app trigger to recurrence. In my case, I am running it weekly to keep the watch list updated. The next step is to retrieve the client secret from the Key Vault, so the Logic app can authenticate using the app registration we've created earlier. Then add an HTTP GET request. I leave the URI in the video description, it's documented in the Microsoft Learn website. Then set the authentication type to active directory and insert your parameters: tenant ID, client ID, secret from the Key Vault, audience will be graph.microsoft.com. Now run your Logic application for the first time, then head over to Run History, open the HTTP step and copy the body output. Go back to the Logic App Designer and add a parse JSON step to it. In the content field, select the body output from the HTTP step and then generate the schema using the body you just copied over. Now add the update watchlist item action. Here's the important part. At the bottom of the action, define the item fields. On the left, use the column names from your watchlist like AccountID and Mailbox. On the right, map the values from the parse JSON specifically, the user object ID and email. Once you set it up, Logic app will automatically create a for each loop. This ensures that watchlist is updated for every user in the group. Now go ahead and run the Logic app again, and as you can see, it will automatically add the user from the security group into the watchlist. And that's it for this video. Now you know how to auto-update a watchlist in Microsoft Sentinel using Azure Logic applications. Hope that helps.